welcome to Storytime. I'm very excited because today, listening to my story, I have, if I can find him, Fred the fish. I've got Claudia the crab. She's very beautiful. And I have Marka Shaka, who you might have met before. Not forgetting Olly Octopus. Oh, he's a very, very, very cuddly octopus. And they're all waiting for the story. And the story I'm going to read today is The Jolly Olly Octopus by Tony Mitton and by Guy Parker Rees, with thanks to Orchard Books. Underneath the ocean, down beneath the sea, one wriggly octopus is giggling with glee. Jolly Olly Octopus laughs away his troubles. Wriggle, wriggle, jiggle. What a lot of bubbles. Two tickly turtles paddle close by. They see Jolly Olly. They wave and say, "Hi!" Jolly Olly Octopus wriggle, wriggle, wriggles. Two tickly turtles both get the giggles. Giggle, 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 tee hee hee. What a lot of laughter underneath the sea. Three smiley seahorses idle on the tide, drifting on the current. See how they glide. Two tickly turtles, one wriggly Olly, three smiley seahorses, everybody's jolly. Four loopy lobsters in a clacky band, scuttling together across the soggy sand. Scuttle, 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 scuttle. They see Jolly Olly dancing in the deep. They all fall together in a clicky-clacky heap. Giggle, 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 tee-hee-hee-hee. What a lot of laughter underneath the sea. Five funny flatfish start to feel flappy. They flip about, they flop about, and everybody's happy. Six silly sand eels twist themselves around. They wriggle and they jiggle to the bubbly laughter sound. Seven speedy sea lions come to join the fun. They turn slippy somersaults one by one. Wow, look at them. 8 baby oysters click their shells with glee. What is it they seem to say? Nine nifty nautiluses start to jig and grin. 10 dippy dolphins can't keep their giggles in. Giggle, 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 tee-hee-hee. What a lot of laughter underneath the sea. Suddenly, a shark appears. Everybody goes manic. The creatures all go crazy in an underwater panic. The giggles turn to shrieks and the laughter turns to shock. Where can everybody hide? Quick, behind the rock. Olly's in a tangle and the eels are in a tizzy. There's flapping and there's floundering. The water's getting fizzy. They get in such a fluster and they all start to flee. So Shark finds them funny. Tee-hee-hee. The laughter swells inside him till Shark begins to quiver. So bit by bit the creatures see. They have no need to shiver. Olly starts to caper across the ocean floor. Then everybody bursts out in one great guffaw. What a fun book. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. I'm very glad that Shark decided to join in the fun as well. And then everybody else joined in laughing with him, didn't they? folks. I'll see you next week. Bye.